This is Michael Bain for MDF3. This is my 1512 Fundamentals 2 video. This week I had to add a seek bar to my app that while the activity is open shows the current playback progress of the currently playing song. Users should be able to drag around the seek bar to change the current playback progress. I wasn't able to get that working. All I've done was just add it to my UI, but I still have some time to try to get that working. I'm having some trouble with it. Add the ability to shuffle songs instead of playing songs in order. There should be a switch, a checkbox that can toggle on and off. They can be toggled on and off. While toggled on, songs will play in a completely random order. While toggled off, songs should play in a set order. So this is my songs that are playing. This is the order they should play. I have 6 of them. So if I enable shuffle, then they play in a random order. So as far as the cosmetic changes, I had to change my layout to work in both landscape and portrait. It's working in portrait with each orientation having a distinctly different appearance but the same functionality. Application UIs must use fragments, so I'm using a fragment for the text views and the buttons and the shuffle, and also the seek bar. But I'm using a different one for the image. If I change it to a landscape mode, everything still works. And also, I was supposed to change the layout and standard notification to show album art. Art must be unique on a song-by-song basis. So if I pull this down, you can see that that's the song that's playing, 36-inch chain. So if I switch it, you can see daily routine, and that's the image for it. So it is changing as I change the song. Also, stop this. Yeah, so that's it. That's all the things that I was able to get done this week. So I guess I'll take a look at some of my code and what gave me the most trouble. What gave me the most trouble was it wasn't the actual shuffle, getting the songs to shuffle, in which I do here. I'm using a random number generator to create the current index for the song that should be playing. And the hardest part was, since I'm using different fragments, I'm using a land layout and a portrait layout. When I was switched from portrait to landscape mode, the value of the text box would disappear. So it was hard for me to figure out that I had to save. Well, the way I did it was save everything to my shared preferences, and on resume, it basically loads the last state of the checkbox and loads it. So when I switch from landscape to portrait, it retains the value. And this is my music service. This is where everything basically happens, and in my control fragments where I call everything upon the button, depending on which button is clicked. So this is Michael Bain. Thanks for watching. Fundamentals 2, MDF3.